Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to print worksheets in Google Chrome. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, navigate to the website that contains the worksheet you want to print. This could be an educational site, a work portal, or any other platform where your worksheet is hosted. Once you're on the website, take a moment to locate the specific worksheet you need. When you find it, click on it to open the full document. This ensures you're viewing the complete worksheet before sending it to print, allowing you to verify it's the correct file. Now, here's where the magic happens. Press Ctrl and P together on your keyboard to open Chrome's print settings. This keyboard shortcut is quick and efficient, instantly bringing up the print dialog without having to navigate through menus. You'll see a preview of your worksheet on the right side of the screen, along with various printing options on the left. Look at the first drop-down menu labeled Destination. Click on it to reveal a list of available printing devices. Select your preferred printer from this list. This could be a physical printer connected to your computer or a network printer if you're in an office environment. Make sure you choose the correct device to avoid sending your worksheet to the wrong printer. Next, you'll see an option for pages. Click on this drop-down to specify which pages you want to print. If you need the entire worksheet, simply select All. However, if you only need specific pages, you can choose those individually. This is particularly useful for multi-page worksheets when you only need certain sections. Moving on, locate the Layout option and click its drop-down menu. Here you can choose between portrait and landscape orientation. Select the layout that best fits your worksheet's design. For example, wide tables or charts often look better in landscape mode, while standard documents work well in portrait. Then, find the color option and click the drop-down. This lets you decide whether to print in full color or black and white. If your worksheet includes important color-coded information, choose color. However, if you want to save ink or the worksheet looks fine without color, select black and white. Finally, once you've configured all your settings to your preference, click the Print button. Chrome will send your worksheet to the selected printer, and you should see it start printing within moments. And that's it! You've successfully printed your worksheet from Google Chrome with all your custom settings applied. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.